and welcome to a how-to video from Her Fitness. This is one of our tricky moves. You may have seen this in class recently. Your arms start going wide. We bend the elbows, bring them in towards the chest. We drop your elbows down towards your ribs and reach for the ceiling. Out to the side, part 1. In, part 2. Elbows in, part 3. Reach up, part 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you start to become familiar with your moves, we can speed that up. This rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is about the same as your class. Next we're going to add in the marches, so starting on your right leg, right, left, bring in the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just when you think you've mastered everything, in comes the tricky part that I've thrown in recently, putting it all into reverse. So the arms start up, down, elbows out, and wide. Up, down, elbows out, and wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring in the marches. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've really got to concentrate on this one. And that's how to do the tricky arm moves.